This video is for anybody who's looking to break into the online space and wants to know exactly what it takes. Well, I'm going to tell you the 3 things that are essential to get you started with no experience, no tech skills, none of that. And I'm telling you why I know this, because I'm Jennifer, your oldie but goodie, and I'm telling you, I'm 59 years old. I started in the online space probably a year and a half ago, and I wish I had done it sooner. And I have found out that I can do it, and you can too. So that's why I want to share with you the 3 key things. And I'm telling you, it's going to be much simpler than you ever imagined. Number 1, you have to be passionate about helping people. And nobody says this, right? They say the first thing is you need to find your niche. You need to find what you're passionate about. Well, I'm telling you, the only thing you need to be passionate about is helping other people, because once you get in and you realize how simple it is, you are going to want to share this with everybody, especially if you're older like me, because I'm shocked that I can do it and I can't wait to help other people. So when I get a sale, it's not like, okay, great, I have more money in my pocket. No, you know what I think? I think that's one more person's life that is getting ready to change. And if you don't have that passion in your heart to help other people, to see them succeed, then this may not be for you, because that is the most rewarding part. So if you have a passion for helping others, this is for you. Number 2 is you need to start with something that is 100% done for you, okay? Because you don't know anything about this business yet. You don't know anything about digital marketing, about creating your own products, about affiliate marketing, all the things that you can do later once you learn all the basics. So it is 100% key to find a business that is done for you. Now, the one that I am in that I absolutely love is the Legacy Builders program. And within the program, there is a community, which is also so important, because if you don't have that community that is interactive, where you can ask questions, where there's continuous training and development and mentoring, then you're just going to have another course that sits on your computer and does nothing, right? So it is important that you have one that is set up, done for you. Now, the Legacy Builders program provides you with the website, with the funnels, with the automation, everything behind the scenes. Now, I know all of that probably sounds foreign to you if you have not been in the online space before, but that's okay. Like I said, you're going to learn what these things are, and once you purchase, all you have to do is connect your domain, which you do have to get a domain, which is basically a place to point your website to, but we provide the website. That is all you're going to have to do, because once you have it all set up in the background, then all you do is promote it like I'm doing. All you do is promote it. Now, one thing I will say too is I never knew anything about getting on YouTube. You know, I looked at YouTube to figure out how to do things around my house or whatever. But this program has taught me that. So you are going to learn so many things. You're going to learn opportunities that you've never had before. And the digital growth community is just the start. Now, I do want to show you as a comparison, because, you know, people are always like, yeah. It costs $900 and that's a lot of money and blah, blah, blah. So I want to show you a couple of programs here popping up on the screen that are courses basically that cost more than what this program costs, and it's a one-time thing. So you're taking the course, you're learning something, but there's nothing after that. And that's the part of this process, is that it is a lifetime access. Yes, you're going to pay $900, plus I will say a $39 website fee. I always want to be transparent about that, because you do get a done-for-you website. But after you pay that initial fee, that initial investment in your future, you don't pay anything else. It is lifetime access. So like I say, we just upgraded All of that is going to be included. All of the email automation, anything that we update, anything we change, any of the mentoring. I could go on because it's lifetime access. So I got into this program a little over a year ago. I have not had to spend another dime, people. That's what I'm telling you. There's no monthly expenses, and I'm in that program learning every single day. So it's interactive, continuous learning and mentoring. If you want to learn more about that program, then go to my link down in the description and just learn about it. You owe it to yourself to at least learn about it, because it is the best place to start in this whole online space. The last piece of the puzzle is automations. If you don't have everything set up to run automatically in the background, then you're not getting your time back, right? And that's one of my key things, is that I got into this to get time back. I didn't want to be spending more time on a program or some other way to make money if it took more of my time. I wanted to get that time back with my kids and my grandkids. I'm a mom of 2 beautiful daughters, and I have one absolutely precious grandson, and that's what I want to be spending my time on, not more work. The automations are what gives you your time back, because think about it like this. I'm on YouTube, so you're on social media, you're promoting your program, you're talking about it, you're educating people, and at any time they could go to your website and purchase the program. So that is working for you behind the scenes. It could be when you're out playing with your grandchildren. It could be when you're sleeping. It could be when you're out having fun. It could be at any time. But all of that is going to automatically happen on the back end. So somebody purchases, they get into the program, you talk with them, help them, but everything is done. And then you get paid automatically because you have your payment system set up where it will automatically pay you. It's brilliant. I'm telling you, I get so pumped when I talk about this program, because automations are what gives you your time back. Automations equal time freedom. Absolutely, 100% automations equal time freedom. Well, that's it, folks. That's it. This is all you need to get started. You have to have the drive. You have to want to work hard. You have to be passionate about helping people. You have to get the right done for you program to start out, and take advantage of those automations and get your time back. So let me know if I can help you in any way. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm always helping people with online businesses and to get you started, because I want everyone over 50 especially to know that you can do this. I did it. I'm an oldie but goodie. I did it. So let me know what I can do to help, and I'll see you on the next video.